Hey guys, Alina here. I'm gonna show you my makeup routine. I'm gonna first show you how I prep my face. So I like the 301 and it's the best.
So I just arrived here at the forest. I'm about to start my hike. I cannot wait to show you what this place looks like because it is so beautiful.
Alright guys, I'm down. I'm not good. You guys coming? Need some help, need some help. I got this clip from people on our left. I think we should go push that. I definitely need some ammo though. If you find any ammo, please let. Oh, I made it.
Now that works really well. I get really shiny sometimes, so I put translucent powder. Look at that, shine is all gone.
So we've been hiking all day long to get to this view. This view is what this is all about. This is going to be fantastic.
Some shield, some health, some money. I do heal up. Let's go. I got a helicopter. Let's go. We're in the helicopter now.
Moisturizer, cleanser.
All about this place because it looks so beautiful.
What's up, everybody? It's Josh. What are you planning? What are you getting into? I see you, Jimmy. I see you, Tony. How you doing, Tanya?
Hey!
Y'all ready for this? Here it comes. This whole thing about. Look at this.
Make it a little more intense.
I got him!